Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Hello again, class. The next kata that we are going to learn shall be Heian Nidan, level number 2. Okay, so you will be seeing a lot of new moves here that was not taught. Okay, but it can be easily followed. So let's start with a step-by-step Heian Nidan. As usual, same head twist from the neck. Okay, wherever you go or which direction you go. And then, of course, you say the Heian, the kata's name. And then, of course, the 2 shouts on that forget. So most of what you will see here will be knife hand block. Okay, so let's start with Heian Nidan. Heian Nidan. So first is 1. Downward, double punch. And 1. Okay. Here is the punch and the block. And 2. This is what we call the side strike. Observe the click. Arms here on the right side. And then you shift. Your stance is backhand. Or back stance. So you shift to the other side. 1, 2. Okay. And then same. You strike to the side and half stance and ready. Back. You observe the hand. And then I will strike at the backhand and snap. Okay. So you observe there here on this other side from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. So you will see here. Okay, once again, we will continue from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and strike. This is what we call the strike, spear hand strike. And tap, and knife and block again here. And then 45 degrees knife and block. And then to the other side, knife and block. This time, observe this. I will not be doing this in the exact or the actual kata, but you will see that you are going to shift. You are going to do the outside palm block. Okay, once again, from here, you will see here 1, okay, 2, punch, reverse, and then outside palm block. So I will continue going back there. So from here, 1, kick, 2, 3. Outside palm block. Kick again. 4. And double block. So if you are going to see it here, block. Alright? So 1. And then downward block. And then rising block. Downward block to the other side. And rising block. This will be the last shout. Okay? Hello once again, class. The first video was purely on step-by-step execution. So this time I'm going to demonstrate the continuous kata for Heian Nidan. It's the second level of karate kata. Please watch it. Heian Nidan.
my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh,